So today I'm going to be painting my rear seats in the G. The main reason, I don't know if you can see it, is they look terrible. Even when you clean them up pretty well, they look pretty freaking terrible. They just, I don't know, man. Something about these tan seats just don't do it for me. And yes, I painted the center console blue and black because the whole theme of the interior I'm trying to do is a silver, blue, and black. And I see it to look better than this tan shit that's all around here. Real quick, just to show you all what I'm talking about, 500-degree temp paint. It's blue. I tried to reuse my InFocus sticker, may just have to order a new one. This is also from InFocus, obviously. I painted this inner trim line here black, so it's a black then a blue transition. Over here on the door, same thing. It's blue here, and of course up here on this trim line it is blue right here. So there's a lot of blue and black already painted in this car, as you can see. I may get these speakers trim line down here, maybe, but I hear you have to pull the entire door apart, so we'll see when we get there. And like I said before, the rear seats look just terrible. So of course, while I'm in the store, everything's fine, but when I come back out here, bird fucking shit on my car. Piece of shit. If I ever find that bird, I'm gonna rip its damn wings off. For all of you out there asking what kind of paint you're gonna use some of this stuff right here. Alright, it comes in like 4 different colors. I was in the store, I only found 4 or 5 colors. There was black, gray, silver, and white. So I don't know if they have any other colors online. Probably gotta check out their website, but as far as I know, Advanced Auto only carried those couple of colors right there. Fucking potholes got me swerving them left and right. In order to remove the rear seats, what you're gonna have to do is lean both of your front seats forward. Just lean them forward, and if you have auto seats like I do, you lean them forward and you press a button. So you're gonna pull this first, press this button right here, it'll go forward. Yeah, what you're gonna do on each side is you're gonna grab right around this area and you're gonna pull straight up towards the ceiling. You're gonna have to trust me, you're gonna have to pull hard. Should probably move this out of the way first. This is pretty easy. You just push it forward like so, reach down in there, pull right up and out. That was in there. Son of a bitch. Push the seatbelt buckles through. There we go. Another reason to do this, I found 75 cents. Some old shit too, probably from the first owner. This is really dirty. Obviously, we want a nice clean surface to work with, so I got some Clorox wipes and I got some Armor All, but I'm probably just gonna use the Clorox wipes, add some soapy water to clean this up really well. Once it's nice and clean and it's dry, then we can start to lay our tack coats and go from there. All right, anyway, so we gotta remove some bolts here. There's gonna be one here, one right here. Then you're gonna unlatch the trunk cable, this bitch right here, which connects right there. Then you can pull the whole seat out. We're gonna hit this with about 5, maybe 6 coats. It really only took 2 cans. This is the first can, it's almost out, and I still got the second can, which is I haven't used the second can yet, so 2 cans to do this entire project. Remember, light coats, let it have about 10 minutes to dry after each coat. First coat is a really light coat, second one's a little bit heavier, and so on and so forth. Alright everybody, just like that, after a couple of hours of drying, it is all done.